The Wyeomyia Smithiii, better known as the pitcher plant mosquito, is a type of North American mosquito that breeds only in the phytothelma, the water of the purple pitcher plant. Phytothelma, plural phytothelmata, is the term referring to bodies of water and terrestrial plants. In the little ecosystem present inside the pitcher plant's phytothelma, the pitcher plant mosquito is the apex predator, controlling the biodiversity of bacteria living inside. This particular species of mosquito so far remains uninterested in feeding on the blood of humans or livestock, although a few pitcher plant mosquito populations in the United States have been detected feeding on blood after laying eggs. At a certain point in its lifespan, the pitcher plant mosquito enters larval diapause, a stage during which development is delayed in order to overcome difficult environmental conditions. This is considered a physiological stage of dormancy, occurring on very specific initiating and inhibiting conditions. For the pitcher plant mosquito, diapause is initiated during short day lengths and does not occur on longer days. In other words, this mosquito goes through diapause, becoming dormant around winter, which has shorter days, and is active again during springtime and summer, which is its growing season. Global warming has caused an increase in longer summer days and a decrease in the number of shorter winter days. A small group of the pitcher plant mosquito population has been found to have slightly different genes, requiring it to go dormant during shorter days. These genes will allow them to wait longer before going dormant during winter. Biologists consider this a form of microevolutionary selection, since these mosquitoes are more successful than those that have to go dormant earlier. This is a good thing because it shows that wildlife may not be doomed as a result of climate change. Through genetic adaptation to longer growing seasons and warmer summers, other species may be able to evolve in order to support themselves and continue to survive. Some may already be in the process of doing so. On the other hand, this could be bad news as well, because it suggests the possibility that other mosquitoes, including disease-carrying harmful species known to feed on humans and animals, may also evolve as a response to global warming and continue to threaten human life. When it comes to pitcher plant mosquitoes, there is no impact on human life or economic activity, since this mosquito leaves us alone most of the time. However, as mentioned before, global warming could lead to the evolution of other subspecies of mosquitoes, including those that are harmful to humans and carry diseases. It could also result in the migration of other mosquito species heading northward, affecting populations in cooler countries which usually did not have to worry about them. Having invasive species of mosquitoes could be detrimental to an ecosystem, as animals may start getting sick because of them. Overall, climate change may allow us to study new and interesting aspects of microevolution, but it will eventually come at an ecological and environmental cost. It would be better to allow natural selection to run its course than to indirectly contribute to artificial selection through anthropogenic climate change. Animals are getting affected by global warming, and so is our environment. Someday, we will be affected too. Thank you for listening to my presentation.